Here's your food.
Okay.
Kaden. You want your Jeff? Your Granny? Here. Sit right.
Now sit him in your lap or something. You can't eat it. Here.
How do I do this? You
Get a piece for him.
You're gonna try to tear this apart with your teeth? You don't have any teeth yet. Here, rip it right here.
Mommy, I need help. Daddy.
Grammy put the best tape she had on it. I couldn't even do it. Here. Grab it.
What do you have?
Rip it. Come on. Rip it.
Take the bow off. He keeps getting the bow.
There you go. There you go. Rip it. Grab it. Here, no, here, this. No, here, that's it.
The wrapping papers are going to be the best part for him.
Yeah. Grab your box.
Kaden, open the box. Open the box, Kaden.
You want to do it?
He's really intense.
And I'll eat the box. How about that?
Here. Oh. I dropped it.
Daddy.
Oh, cool. It says Kaden First Christmas. Can you touch it?
Oh, yummy, yummy.
Show everyone your present.
Hey, he's trying. He's trying. I got it really close
Love
up.
Grammy 2010.
Show it over here. Nice. Ah, that's nice.
Let me see. Oh,
I
how
don't know.
cute.
Oh,
Okay, I'm gonna stop this.
Cute, Kaden. Okay.
How do you stop it?
Push the play that one, yeah. That's good.